Far beyond the reach of Earth, there exists a spacecraft that has been silently traversing the vastness of the universe for over 4 decades. Voyager 2. Launched in 1977, this tiny probe has become humanity's most distant explorer, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and reaching where no human has ever gone before. However, in July 2023, a simple error sent by NASA engineers caused Voyager 2's antenna to shift by just 2 degrees. This minor glitch caused Earth to lose its connection to the spacecraft, and for months, scientists were left without the crucial data Voyager 2 was sending back. For over 18 hours, no signals were received until, finally, something amazing happened. Thanks to the incredible efforts of NASA's team, and the powerful radio telescopes in Australia, they managed to detect a faint signal, a whisper from Voyager 2 itself, drifting through the cosmic void. The message? Voyager 2 is alive and well, continuing its journey through the outer reaches of our solar system. Over 20 billion kilometers from Earth.As it travels at 55,000 kilometers per hour. Voyager 2 is on a path that will one day lead it past distant stars like Ross 248 and Sirius, where it will remain a silent testament to human achievement for thousands of years. It's awe-inspiring to think that a machine created by human hands will one day pass by stars that have fascinated us for millennia. But by then, the builders of this spacecraft will be long gone, and Voyager will be a distant echo of humanity's quest for knowledge. Voyager 2 still exploring, still sending messages, and still reminding us that, even in the infinite vastness of space, we're never truly alone.